How to add a poll to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a poll to your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over to squarespace.com and sign in for an account. After that we're going to head over the dashboard and click on go to the website that we desire to put the poll on. It is going to be very simple. We're going to wait for the website to load up, just like that. As you can see, this is our website. It is going to be only made for demonstration. We're going to head over the left side of the screen. From here, we're going to click on website. It is going to extend this little menu, which is going to contain pages, styles, assets, and SEO. Click on pages, and we're going to find this place. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We are going to head over here and we are going to click on edit. Once we have did that, we're going to be on this, as you can see here, editing page. We're going to add a section special for the poll. So I'm going to do a clean work, click on add section, and preferably I'm going to add a blank section or one of the sections that are going to not contain bulky content, but basically simple content, like maybe this one, and the button we do not need it. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to delete the button. The text is here, so let's make it a little bit bigger. Not the text, but basically the section, like that. And what we're going to do next is going to be adding a block. This block is going to be an embedded block, like that. I'm going to put it to the middle. Click on edit. Now the embed is going to be as code snippet. Now we are going to click on embed data. We're going to let it as it is. And we're going to head over a website which is going to be named Opinion Stage. So we're going to create a free account within this platform, and it is, as you can see, having this specific services. So we have the creation of poll, form or surveys, personality quiz, trivia quiz. So as we have said before, we're going to create a poll. Click on poll and you're going to have two options. Either you're going to create it from scratch, or you can use a template for better help. So I'm going to make it a little bit simple, and I am going to use a template. Since we are not going to be masters of polls, we're going to use only this. Now, we're going to wait for the poll or the templates to load up. As you can see, my internet is a little bit slow, so we are going to wait for it. Here we have our templates. So we are going to choose one of the templates of the poll. Like I can have some categories at the left side of the screen. Select one of the, as you can see, the things here. I can preview them, then we can use them. And we can go ahead and head over here, modify the cover, as you can see. And we can modify the description, set up the language, the design, and finally the social media, as you can see, sharing bar and etc. So this is the creation stage. You can head over the questions, set up your question. As you can see, this is the first, second, third question, and etc. We can go ahead and head over here, set up the title of the question, description, and the right answer. The results. So the leading in email where we're going to set up the emails for, and etc. Now what we're going to do is to click on publish only. So we are going to publish it online, and we are going to have it like that. So we're going to click on view embed. Normally it is not the right button, but it is going to be like that. So we can go ahead and head over the share button, click on copy code, head over Squarespace again. We're going to paste our code here. Now we are going to click on preview and save mode. This is going to be the poll. And here we have installed our poll. It is going to take a little bit of time to load up. Everything is going to be here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.